Your voice was louder than the storm that day. You spoke the word, the dark obeyed. Through every tear, through every fall, your mercy built a refuge wall. While the world was drowning in its shame, you carved our peace inside your name. Though judgment reigned and mountains shook, your promise stood where none else could. You are king upon the flood, your throne unmoved, your grace enough through the waters deep and wide. You carried your children to the other side, and when the chaos steals my breath, you whisper life where fear had slept. Forever you reign, forever you love. You are the king upon the flood. They mocked the ark, they turned away, blind to mercy's open gate. But Noah's faith held firm and true. We built the ark and trusted you. Now every storm that shakes my soul, I see the rainbow, I know you hold. The same strong hands that sealed the door still guide my heart to peace once more. The voice that split the skies apart still quiet storms inside my heart. You are king upon the flood, your throne unmoved, your grace enough through the waters deep and wide. You carried your children to the other side, and when the chaos steals my breath, you whisper life where fear had slept. Forever you reign, forever you love. You are the king upon the flood. The God who thundered over waves still breaks the chains, still saves the slaves. The same great power, the same great peace still reigns through all eternity. The flood may rise, the storm may roar, but you're my strength forevermore. You are king upon the flood, the Lord of peace, the Lord of us. When the waters close in tight, your light still burns through endless night. You give your people strength to stand, your mighty peace in every land. Forever you reign, forever you love. You are the king upon the flood. And when the storms of this world cease, your people rest in perfect peace. For the Lord still sits enthroned